that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, doing, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do.
Today is going to be a vlog. I am currently heading out to go to Target to get my first ever Stanley Cup. I'm so excited. I think it's the brand Magnolia at Target that came out with these limited edition Stanley Cups, and the colors are amazing. I'm thinking about getting the cream colored one. I think they also have a taupe colored one, and they have this brown colored one, which is super pretty. I'm leaning more towards the cream colored one just because I feel like that's my aesthetic and that's just my color that I always go to. So that's what I'm gonna get right now. Who's texting me? What is that? I don't know who's texting me, but somebody's texting me. And then I'm also really hungry, so I'm gonna go get something to eat. And then I'm going to go to Starbucks because I really am feeling for an iced chai tea. Are you guys liking the bun? I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I'm feeling it. Like, I like it. I did a review on this wig. I think it's the my curly vacation hair wig. I think that's the title of the video. This is the same hair from Amazon that I'm wearing. I don't know. I'm feeling the high messy bun. Before we go, I went to the LMA concert a few months back. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I did post it on my Instagram. And I was looking at the footage the other day, and the footage is amazing. So I'm thinking about incorporating it somehow in this video. It was so much fun. She did an amazing job. So I'm gonna do a flashback right now. Hey guys, so I just got done making my skirt for the LMA show for tonight, and you can't really see it. This is my outfit, by the way. I just have this top that I got from Windsor store. It almost looks like a sunset. It's see-through, and I have to wear a bra under it. It was $26.90. This is in a small, so yeah, I have to wear a bra with this. But the skirt, I just got done making the skirt. You can't really tell what it is right now, but when I put it on, you guys will see. I'm thinking about leaving the ends unhemmed just because I like the way it looks unhemmed. I've been seeing like outfits these days that are like unhemmed, and I like that look, so I'm just gonna leave it unhemmed. This is the inspiration for the skirt. The way that I made mine, I didn't make the top, I just made the bottom. It just has the tie detailing. I just love the way that it looked. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You guys will see it on me tonight. It's 1:54 now. The concert is at 8, but the doors open at 7. I still have to make my wig, so that's what I'm going to do now.
Cause I'm not the type to really care. So you came over around my heart. I never felt so soft. You blew my decisions off. Yes, you and spend a little more time. Now you're all on my mind. And it's good enough for me, for me. Now that is enough. I'm not the typical girl. I know I make it hard, but I see you trying. When I look into your eyes, I just can't deny it. What's up? Usually not my type, but I still want it. Boy, you got that something to wake me up in the morning. To love it's on my appetite. I want to welcome you guys to the Heart on My Sleeve tour. I said I want to welcome you guys to the Heart on My Sleeve tour. You know that I crave all the pieces of this is from outside of you. Baby, trust me, the truth. You hold me like I ain't got forever. How we feeling over here?
This is only our second show of the Heart on My Sleeve tour.
haven't headlined a tour in 4 years, which was pre the pandemic. Did any of you see me on the debut tour? Thank you guys for coming back, I really appreciate that. Before we do this last song, I really just wanted to say, I don't think people understand how hard it is to sell tickets. I just told you I haven't headlined a tour in 4 years, and I really can't say thank you enough for you guys being here tonight. You could be anywhere, but don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tell me what I'm gonna and you can't ever be so crazy.
Are those the Stanley cups over there? I don't think they are. Those don't look like them. Are they down here? Oh my gosh, I think they're down here. Let me see. Are these them? No, those are the simple modern ones. I'm looking for the Stanley cups. Where are they? I don't see it. Oh my gosh, you guys, hopefully they have them. Guys, look what I got. So they didn't have any more. The guy had to like go back and get one for me, and I think this might be the only one. So I got lucky. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm excited. This is the cream colored one, by the way. I'm loving these silk tops. I really love this olive green color. I don't know what it is about olive green, but I just love olive green. This is so cute. With some gold earrings and some gold jewelry. Yes. You guys, guess what? So I found these leaves. I don't know if you guys know the vase that I have on my TV stand, the circle one. That will look so pretty in that, wouldn't it? These ones over here are just like simple and just short. Plus these ones are kind of expensive. They're $14 for this little thing here. So I don't know if I should get them. I might just wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm currently at Wegmans. I came here to get some hydrangea plants for my vase. Bingo, I found them. However, I just want plain white ones. I don't want all those colors. I found the all white ones. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna get those. Raising Cane's chicken fingers. This is what I'm gonna be eating. I'm so happy they have one in my area. So good. This place to me is like another Chick-fil-A because they're always packed. Like the drive-thru is always packed.
Chicken, chicken, chicken. Which combo you picking?
Can I get the box combo?
Yeah, what's your drink?
But instead of the coleslaw, can I get extra toast? And for my drink, can I get sweet tea?
Yeah, anything else?
That's it.
Okay, and then for your order?
Madison?
Madison, thank you. Awesome. Any ketchup?
Sure.
Awesome, thank you. Alright, for your order of a box combo, also extra toast with the sweet tea and ketchup on the side. It's going to be $13.58 for your total.
This is their menu. I usually get the box combo. I don't like coleslaw, so I get extra toast with it. And I just got a sweet tea. Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Madison?
Thank you.
Have a good night. Thanks, you too. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in now. This looks so good. I'm starving. I just got out of the shower. I feel so fresh and so clean. I just have my Calvin Klein bralette top on and my gray sweatpants. I feel so comfy. I just bought this shampoo by Dove and my hair smells so good right now. You guys need to try this if you haven't already. The only thing is that the packaging looks exactly like the body wash, so don't get it mixed up with the body wash. Tonight is going to be a movie type of night. The Little Mermaid just came out on Disney Plus. Last time I saw that movie was a couple of months back when it first came out in theaters. so I'm excited to watch it again. I was actually about to cancel my membership for Disney Plus because I was hearing a lot of different rumors about the movie not coming out on Disney Plus. So I was like, I'm canceling this, but I'm happy that I didn't because I get to watch it now. I'm excited. I'm also thinking about going to the beach tomorrow. After I'm done taking my sister to her appointment, I'm going to try to see if I can go to the beach. It is late. It's like 10 o'clock at night. And yeah, we're gonna get some Domino's, and I also have to go to the store because I need a razor to shave my legs. I still have some more wax strips left over. So basically what I do is I wax my bikini area and then I shave everything else, like my legs and stuff. I don't know, I just feel like that way works for me. In the last vlog, I showed you guys me dropping my Fenty Beauty powder. Guess what I just did just now? Guess what just happened? It cracked. I'm so sad, but it's all good. It's okay. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. I was thinking about filming tomorrow's beach day and putting it in this vlog, but I think I'm going to save that footage for the next vlog because I want to get this vlog up to you guys ASAP. Since this is a movie night, I might end up falling asleep. I don't want to leave you guys hanging, so I'm just going to close the vlog now. So I'm going to say good night. I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. I placed an order on the app for Madison.
Madison?
Yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you guys have blue cheese?
Yep.
Thank
Have a good one.
You too. So the first thing I got is these chocolate lava cakes, and this actually dropped, so it might be crushed. Oh no, look it. Yeah, that's because it dropped. So I got these lava cakes. I love these. These are so good. And then for my pizza, I just got the buffalo chicken. Ooh. Oh, that looks so yummy. Buffalo chicken pizza. And I'm going to be dipping my pizza in this blue cheese. And yeah, let's get the movie night started. I'm ready. I'm about to play it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, let's play it. Let's play it. Play.
Stop being such a guppy. I want to jump.